All right, Chef.
Yep,
you
ready.
just made us this amazing glaze, this gorgeous ham. Because we have all these ingredients out here, I feel like we should probably make a cocktail just because we can. We have this wonderful bourbon that we used for the ham glaze. We're gonna add about 2 ounces of that. I'm just gonna eyeball it. You can trust your instincts here. I'm gonna add about a ½ ounce of lemon juice to each one. This is gonna be a whiskey sour type cocktail, but with a little breakfast twist because a lot of times you eat the ham at breakfast. And also, we have these wonderful ingredients. And it's a great example of how you can use the ingredients that you're already cooking with to make a cocktail.
I love the ice cubes.
Yeah.
I love those big square ice cubes that really don't dilute the drink and they just make it chilled. It's beautiful.
Just add a teensy bit of the
And I
maple
love
syrup.
the way
So
you guys
sweet.
measure. It's really nice.
Give it a quick stir. And this is an obvious whiskey sour, just with a little bit of maple syrup and thank you, Chef. Love it.
Love it.
All right, we're gonna throw a little bit of cinnamon in
Oh
there.
yeah, oh yeah. Yeah,
A little bit of cinnamon in here.
beautiful. Just get the essence of it
Yeah.
without
Overpower
the powder.
it. Yeah, yeah.
That's
you don't want
nice.
to overpower
Yeah,
it.
I like
and
it.
It's not gonna mix very well either. Use it as a garnish. It's a little big.
Good.
Taste it.
What about me? Beautiful.
Cheers, Chef.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the lemon's really nice. It kind of pulls it all together without it being so strong. And the maple syrup's nice too.
I just bought this at the store
What is it?
yesterday.
Let me oh, that's the Marseille?
Just want to do a little floater. Oh, it's not as
that's
colorful as I was hoping.
Emily, you're gonna have to drive me home.
What did you just add?
I added a Marseille, which is an Amaro produced right here in New York. It balances it out really nicely with a hint of bitterness. And it actually tastes kind of cinnamony as well.
That's nice. I like it. I like it.
Yeah, that's really great. The Amaro is an example of how you can just add an element to the drink to balance it out a little bit. And it's a great Amaro produced in New York City, just like we are. And it balances out this and turns it into a little bit of a daisy instead of a whiskey sour. And that's why we call it the breakfast daisy. Cheers, Chef.
Cheers. I love it. I love the nuance of adding, like, not just the bourbon, but another alcohol, kind of like a Negroni when you
Absolutely.
get the gin as the base, and then you add a couple of things, and it kind of, like, rounds it out and brings it all together. It's beautiful. Cheers.
And you know, when you're cooking with that kind of bourbon, you're gonna wanna make yourself a cocktail for sure. And when you have all these ingredients, there's a lot of stuff you can do. You just gotta keep it balanced, and you can layer some complexity depending on the liquors you have. And you can really just follow your imagination.